Okay, so today we are going to be talking about how we can use unit rates to compare rates. So we are going to use our previous knowledge about rates and how to find a unit rate to be able to compare two unit rates.
The corner bakery is selling 12 cupcakes for $10, while the supermarket is selling 10 cupcakes for $7. Which store has the better deal on cupcakes? In this problem, each store is selling a different amount of cupcakes for a different amount of money. Well, it's kind of hard to compare different amounts with different prices. So instead, let's try to figure out the price of one cupcake at each one of the stores. And then we can compare them that way to see which is the better deal. Since we're trying to find the price of one cupcake at each store, we're actually trying to find the unit rate. So let's recall unit rate. Unit rate is a ratio that has a denominator of 1. And in this problem, we're trying to find the price of one cupcake. So our unit rate will look like this. We will have the price over one cupcake. We write a fraction that looks like this. Here we have the price of one cupcake. So we need to find this unit rate for each one of the stores. But to do that, we first need to actually find the rates for each store. So let's do that first. Let's focus on the bakery. If we take a look, our problem says that the bakery is selling 12 cupcakes for $10. Now when we write out this fraction, we want to write it in the same form as our unit rate, since that's what we're trying to find in the end. That means we need to put the price over the number of cupcakes. So we take $10 and put that over the 12 cupcakes. Just like this. This is the rate for the bakery. $10 for 12 cupcakes. Perfect. Now, we need to find the rate at the supermarket. Well, according to our problem, the supermarket sells 10 cupcakes for $7. So putting it in that same form, we have $7 over 10 cupcakes. And now we have the rate for each one of the stores. But remember, we're trying to find the unit rate, the price of just one cupcake. So we need to get each of these rates to have a denominator of 1. To convert these rates into unit rates, we need to remember what a fraction really is. A fraction is really a numerator divided by a denominator. So here we can take 10 divided by 12. If we take 10 and divide it by 12, we end up getting a repeating decimal. So let's round that decimal to 2 decimal places, since we're dealing with amounts of money. And we get the decimal 0.83. Great. Now do the same thing for the supermarket. Again, we take numerator divided by denominator. 7 divided by 10. When we do, we get 0.7, which we can write as 0.70, putting a trailing 0 on the end to get 2 decimal places. Now what do each of these decimals mean? Well, since we took the numerator divided by the denominator, we just found the numerator of the unit rate. That means that at the bakery, 83 cents will buy one cupcake. One cupcake costs 83 cents. That's the unit rate at the bakery. And here, at the supermarket, one cupcake costs 70 cents. So we now have the unit rate for both of the stores. All we need to do to find which one has the better deal is to compare them. So let's see. Which one costs less? 83 cents for one cupcake or 70 cents for one cupcake? 70 cents is less than 83 cents. That means that the supermarket has the better deal on cupcakes. Even though you get 2 less cupcakes when you buy at the supermarket, the price per cupcake is less. Here at the supermarket, you get the better deal, 70 cents for one cupcake.